Hey guys, Sakitech from Sakitech, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the fingerprint unlock animation on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So here's my phone. I'm going to wake it up, and notice what happens when I unlock this with my fingerprints. We get that beautiful animation as you just saw. Now here's another more playful option, as you can see, and here is another one, as you just saw. I'm going to show you guys how to do this and also get some other styles as well. Let's dive in and get started right away. Guys, really quick word from our sponsor. Have you ever bought a used Samsung phone, performed a factory reset, and then got stuck at the Google account verification screen? Or maybe you reset your own phone and realize you no longer remember the Google account that was originally linked to the device. That's called Factory Reset Protection, or FRP, and while it is designed as a security feature, it can become a major headache if you're locked out of your phone that you own legitimately. Now, one option is to try recovering your Google account directly from Google, but that process can sometimes take time and doesn't always work if you have lost access to your recovery information. Now that's where Dr. Phone Screen Unlock comes in. Dr. Phone provides a straightforward way to bypass the FRP lock on supported Samsung devices, helping you regain access to your phone and complete the setup process. The software does walk you through the steps on your computer, making the process much easier than hunting down random methods online that may or may not work. So if you are dealing with your FRP locked Samsung device and need a solution, check out Dr. Phone using the link in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, so to accomplish this task is going to be very simple. You are going to need to go to the Samsung Galaxy store and you are going to need to download the Good Lock application. So go to the store, okay, and search for the Good Lock application, which is going to be this one right here. Simply install this if you don't already have it. Once it is installed, open it up, and it's going to look very overwhelming, but all you want to do is you want to scroll down and find LockStar, tap on it, and install that on your phone, and that's all you need. Once it is installed, tap on LockStar, and that's going to bring up the lock screen customization screen, but now you have the LockStar options built into it for further customization. One of them is going to be the fingerprint animation unlock. So if I tap on the fingerprint, it's going to give you a little pop-up, and from here you are going to be able to choose from 5 different options. So here's one option. You can see the preview as I tap on these guys. That's the second option. This is the third option, my favorite, and then this one here is the playful option, and then over here we have the standard option you get when you buy the phone. But these over here, the extra 4 pieces, are in fact extra. So let me show you this one right here. Okay, so look at this. If I go inside, if I unlock, beautiful animation as you just saw. If I go back to Good Lock, go to LockStar, and if I choose this one, let's see what this one looks like precisely. All right, so right over there, wake it up. Look at that, beautiful. All right, and let's look at the final option. So tap on this guy, scroll over, tap over here. That is the final option that we have. Let's see what that looks like. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, so that's it. Very simple and easy to do. Another level of flair to add to your Samsung devices. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.